Welcome to Ocean Quest Adventures. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most storied, haunting, and historically rich corners of the Atlantic, the shipwrecks of Newfoundland's waters, with a spotlight on the breathtaking, mysterious wrecks off Belle Island. There's something about Belle Island that captures the heart and stirs the imagination. Towering sea cliffs, windswept terrain, and just beneath the waves, echoes of war, sacrifice, and resilience. The waters here hold 4 sunken ships, each with a story etched into the steel and salt, stories that bring the past alive. During World War II, Belle Island was a key strategic point. The iron ore mined here was crucial for the Allied war effort. But in 1942, Nazi Germany took notice. In a bold and tragic series of attacks, German U-boats struck Newfoundland waters, right in our own backyard. These 4 ships, the Saganaga, Lord Strathcona, Rosecastle, and PLM-27, were torpedoed and sank right in Conception Bay. Over 70 men lost their lives. Today, their resting place is a powerful underwater memorial and one of the most accessible cold water wreck diving sites in the world. Swimming through these wrecks just isn't an adventure, it's a lesson. A chance to connect with history in a visceral, awe-inspiring way. Every rivet, every artifact, every shadowed corridor tells a part of the story we can't afford to forget. Here at Ocean Quest, we believe in something deeper than just exploration. We believe in education through experience, in fostering sustainable tourism that honors the past, protects the environment, and supports our local communities. When you visit Belle Island, you're not just a tourist, you're a student of history. A supporter of rural economies, a guardian of a unique ecosystem. Sustainable tourism isn't just a buzzword, it's how we preserve these stories, these wrecks, these communities for generations to come. The wrecks have become artificial reefs teeming with marine life. What was once a battlefield has become a sanctuary, its nature reclaiming tragedy with grace. So come dive with us. Come listen to the silence of the deep. Let the wrecks of Belle Island speak to you of courage, conflict, and the ever-persistent pulse of the sea.